Number 5. DJI Mini 5 Pro 4K Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is proof that incredible aerial photography doesn't require a bulky drone. Packed with advanced technology and an ultra-lightweight design, it's the perfect choice for beginners, travelers, and content creators. At the heart of this drone is a powerful 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, capable of capturing stunning 4K videos and high-resolution photos with impressive detail, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're filming landscapes, city skylines, or vacation memories, every shot looks cinematic. One of its standout features is Active Track 360-degree, allowing the drone to intelligently follow people, vehicles, or moving subjects while keeping them perfectly framed. Combined with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 5 Pro can detect obstacles from every direction, making flights safer and giving beginners more confidence in the air. Another major advantage is the 225-degree rotating gimbal, giving creators more flexibility to capture unique cinematic angles that standard drones simply can't achieve. From dramatic vertical shots to smooth panoramic movements, your creative possibilities are almost endless. With an impressive 20-kilometer video transmission range, you'll enjoy a stable, high-quality live feed even during long-distance flights. The intelligent flight controls, automatic return-to-home feature, and beginner-friendly modes make flying simple even if it's your first drone. Number 4. DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone with Camera. If you want more flight time and greater value right out of the box, the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundle is an excellent choice, earning the number 4 spot on our list. Equipped with a powerful 1-inch CMOS camera, this drone captures breathtaking 4K videos and crystal-clear photos with exceptional detail, rich colors, and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, travel vlogs, or cinematic landscapes, every shot looks smooth and professional. One of its biggest advantages is Active Track 360-degree, which intelligently follows your subject while automatically adjusting the flight path for dynamic cinematic footage. Combined with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone can detect obstacles in every direction, giving you safer and more confident flights. The innovative 225-degree rotating gimbal unlocks creative camera angles that traditional drones can't achieve, allowing you to capture stunning vertical shots, dramatic reveals, and smooth cinematic movements with ease. With an impressive 20-kilometer HD video transmission, you'll enjoy a stable live feed even during long-distance flights. Intelligent flight modes and beginner-friendly controls make flying simple, whether it's your first drone or you're already an experienced pilot. This bundle also includes 2 intelligent flight batteries, giving you significantly more flying time without constantly stopping to recharge. The included carrying case keeps your drone, batteries, and accessories organized and protected, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Despite all these premium features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro remains ultra-lightweight and highly portable, fitting easily into your backpack so you're always ready to capture incredible moments wherever you go. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone Fly More Combo. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight drone that packs professional imaging, intelligent flight features, and impressive battery life into a compact design. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 is easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're traveling, hiking, creating content, or capturing family memories, its compact size makes it the perfect companion for every trip. The drone records stunning 4K videos and captures ultra-sharp 8K photos, delivering incredible detail, vibrant colors, and professional quality results. A built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps every shot stable and smooth, even when flying in windy conditions. One of its standout features is AI Track, which automatically follows your subject while keeping it perfectly framed. Whether you're cycling, hiking, running, or filming outdoor adventures, the drone creates smooth cinematic footage without requiring constant manual control. Creators will also love the vertical shooting mode, making it easy to capture videos that are ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. When the sun goes down, AI Night Shot helps produce brighter, clearer footage with improved low-light performance. For beginners, the built-in quick shots make cinematic flying simple. With just one tap, the drone performs automatic flight movements to create professional-looking aerial videos in seconds. The 10-kilometer transmission range provides a stable live video feed for confident long-distance flights, while the Fly More combo includes multiple batteries for an incredible up to 96 minutes of total flight time, allowing you to spend more time flying and less time charging. Number 2. DJI Neo 2 4K Camera Drone. Earning the number 2 spot on our list is the DJI Neo 2, a compact drone that makes aerial photography easier than ever with powerful smart features packed into an incredibly lightweight design. One of its biggest highlights is palm takeoff and landing, allowing the drone to launch and return directly from your hand without needing a controller. This makes flying quick, convenient, and perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to capture moments instantly. The built-in 4K camera records sharp, detailed videos with vibrant colors and smooth footage, making it ideal for travel videos, outdoor adventures, family memories, and social media content. With gesture control, you can control the drone using simple hand movements. Start recording, capture photos, or command the drone without touching your phone, creating a fun and effortless flying experience. The intelligent active track feature automatically follows you while keeping you perfectly centered in the frame. Whether you're walking, cycling, running, or exploring nature, the DJI Neo 2 captures smooth cinematic footage completely hands-free. Safety is another major advantage thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which helps detect obstacles from multiple directions, making flights safer and giving both beginners and experienced pilots more confidence while flying. Number 1. Anti-Gravity A1 360 Drone 8K 360-degree camera. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Anti-Gravity A1 360, a next-generation drone built for creators who want an immersive flying experience and breathtaking aerial footage. Packed with advanced technology, this drone delivers features normally found in much more expensive models. The biggest highlight is its 8K 360-degree camera, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed panoramic videos and stunning aerial photos from every angle. Whether you're filming travel adventures, outdoor sports, or cinematic landscapes, every shot looks professional and incredibly immersive. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. To purchase this product, the link is given in the description. Click on it and bring this product into your use today.